Turn the gauge on by holding down the on-off switch until you see it light up. Be sure to set the gauge for reading in gram Porsche units indicated by the GF in the upper right-hand corner. Allow the number to zero out, and with the bobbin thread inserted in the metal bobbin case, remove the thread from the pigtail. Locate the knob that sticks out on the metal bobbin case. And insert the metal bobbin case with the bobbin thread in it into the digital tension gauge. Snap it into place, and the knob of the metal bobbin case that sticks out should be to the left of the knob that sticks out of the top of the insert. Pull out the thread and wrap it underneath the bottom pulley and over the top of the top pulley, and then underneath the middle pulley. Continue to wrap it over the metal thread guide and underneath the thread holding pin. Using consistent speed, pull the bobbin thread to see what the tension is reading. The number you're trying for bobbin thread is between 22 and 24 gram Porsche units. You'll notice here that it's in between 16 to 18. That means that the tension set on the bobbin case is too loose. Using a screwdriver, turn the larger screw on the metal bobbin case to the right to tighten it up. One thing you want to keep in mind for your bobbin case screwed is slight turns have a big impact. Pull the bobbin thread again, making sure that the thread is underneath the metal pin that holds the thread away from the thread trimmer. The reading is now much too high. As we mentioned before, we want to try to achieve between 22 to 24. So now you want to turn that larger screw on the bobbin case to the left to loosen it up. And again, only slight turns are needed here. And here you see we have achieved the correct tension. Next, we recommend that you sew out a simple satin stitch column. For this test, it is important to have both the bobbin thread and the top thread tensioned together. If you have not already done so, we recommend that you view our video on setting the top thread with the digital tension gauge. Setting both the top and the bottom thread is a balancing act, as you will see in the next images. Here you see 3 examples of the bobbin thread on the bottom side of the satin stitches. The example on the left shows that the top tension is too loose. We're not seeing enough of the bobbin thread. The example in the middle shows that the top tension is too tight. We're seeing too much of the bobbin thread. And finally, the example on the far right shows perfect tensioning, with 1/3 of the bobbin thread showing down the middle and 1/3 of the top thread showing on both sides.